Good afternoon, COPA Room 5 Scholars. This is Mrs. Haywood, and I'll be giving you a brief tutorial on how to get to your math test. All right, so let's just jump right in. All right, so here is my computer screen. It's not going to look obviously the same as yours, and maybe you're using a phone, maybe you're using a tablet. It doesn't matter. I think you'll still be able to access the test on any device that you choose. Okay, so the first step is just to open the internet. So here is the internet. Let's actually close that. I'm going to write one more time. Open up the internet. It's going to open up just like that. In the address bar, you're going to click it and delete what is in there. Then you're going to type in swunmath.com. swunmath.com and press enter. Okay. Does this look familiar? Is it starting to look familiar to you? Okay. So here's swunmath.com. You're going to take your mouse and you're going to take it over to the word login. You're not going to click on it just yet. You're going to hover. That means you're going to put the mouse on top of the word but not click it. Okay, you're going to hover over the word login. You're going to drag your mouse down to the word students. You're going to hover over the word students. You're not going to click it. And then you're going to take it over to online assessments, and now you're able to click it. Okay, one more time. Once you're on this page, take your mouse, your pointer, or your cursor, whatever you call it. You're going to take it down to the word login, hover over the word login. Then you're going to take it to students, hover over the word students, and then take it over to online assessments and click on it. Okay, now we're on the login page. Once you're here, you're going to enter two things. The first thing is the student ID number, and the second is the session ID. Okay, some of you might already have your student ID memorized. Perfect. You don't even need to worry about it. Some of you do not. Okay, just remember, if you haven't memorized, that you need to enter the letters CP in front of your student ID number. If you do not have your student ID number, do not worry. I will be personally emailing each and every one of you at your email, at your COP school's email account, your student SSID numbers. It's called an SSID number. Otherwise, it's called student ID number. Okay. You're going to check your email if you don't know it. Make sure you write it down on a little piece of paper, a sticky note, or whatever you might have it, or copy and paste it. And you're going to enter it right here after the letter CP. So for example, if Mrs. Haywood had a student ID number and it was 12345678990, that's what I would enter here after the letters CP. So I'm going to type CP and enter my student ID number, which is 12345678990. Okay, make sure that these letters are there, and also make sure your numbers are correct. If any of them are incorrect, you're going to have a really hard time. Okay, so after you do that, next you need your session ID number. For the session ID number, this has not been created yet because we have not taken the test. They do not create a session ID until the teacher or the administrator starts the test. So the day of the test, the morning of the test, I will wake up and I will open the test at about 7:55 so that you can start taking your test at 8 o'clock in the morning. Okay, it'll be open for a few hours so that you can get your test finished. Okay, the morning of the test, when it gives me the session ID number, I will go on to Class Dojo or our Google Classroom, and I will post our session ID numbers on both of those platforms. Okay, so look out for that the day of. So there's two things that you need to do. You need to get your student ID number, which is going to be in your email, and then you'll have your session ID number that you will be finding on Google Classroom or Class Dojo the day of our math test. All right, so hopefully this whole tutorial was helpful. Hopefully if you didn't get it, maybe you can watch it one more time or two more times. If you still don't understand how to do it, or you have any questions or concerns, please call me, contact me, text message me, whatever you need, just feel free to contact me at any time because I'm here for you. Okay? So I hope you have a great rest of your day. I'll talk to you all later. Bye-bye.